美国总统川普和商务部长卢特尼克呢，就会宣布2礼拜以来，美国会开始卖投资移民的金卡，一张爱卖美金500万。另外，由这马斯克主导的政府效率部有风声讲，有21名科技员工做伙辞职，原因是因认为马斯克做的做法呢，对美国会造成危险。
为着省外国资金，川普阁推出投资移民金卡这个新的手法，找的是金字塔上顶悬的外国超级好野人。这张金卡要比 EB5 投资移民爱105万，还是80万美金的条件阁较悬，一张爱500万美金。不过川普嘛讲，这是一张正高级的绿卡，并无等于是开钱来买美国公民的身份。
They're not citizens, but they'll have to pay if they create jobs in the United States. They'll pay full taxes like everybody else. So you're getting big taxpayers, big job producers, and we'll be able to sell maybe 1 million of these cards, maybe more than that.
美国商务部长卢特尼克进一步讲，备端真济 EB5 未来就会停办，会专门换做爱500万美金的川普金卡。针对来办金卡的好野人，美国嘛会针对因来做背景的审查。不过有记者嘛询问着讲，罗西亚掌握权力的寡头敢会当来办卡？对这川普的回答，敢若是肯定的。
Be eligible for a gold card?
Yeah, possibly. Hey, I know some Russian oligarchs that are very nice people. It's possible. They're not quite as wealthy as they used to be. They're not as wealthy as they used to be. I think they can afford. I think they can afford $5 million.
像安尼，伫北京的机能型办公室，也是空军1号顶悬，担心采访川普。对1914年以来超过100年，拢是北京记者协会负责协调的。即摆为着防止独占，北京嘛宣布讲要甲这项选择权收转去。
As you all know, for decades, a group of DC-based journalists, the White House Correspondents Association, has long dictated which journalists get to ask questions of the President of the United States in these most intimate spaces. Not anymore.
美电社记者伫2礼拜前，才因为无随甲墨西哥湾改叫做美国湾，互禁止入去北京采访。即么这个做法，阁互媒体批判讲是在威胁新闻自由。
This is the chainsaw for bureaucracy.
另外，马斯克带领的政府效率部导致，之前的联邦雇员做工课的干部，若是无回 email， 就会互施透露。这个部门内面有21个对美国所谓服务部留任的科技员工，如果因提出集体请辞，理由是因无愿意用家己的技能来帮助会互美国陷入危险的工课。尤其马斯克招的真侪人，拢欠必要的技能和经验，因认为讲有严重的风险。对这马斯克是无啥愿意回应。虽然讲北京宣布政府效率部的负责人。 另外有别人是一个有医疗背景的女性隔离生，但是上时伫北京这边嘛证实讲，马斯克伫26的时阵会去参加川普举行的第一摆内阁会议，嘛阁一摆引起关注。公司新闻翁如梅编译。